July 8th, 2022, and this is Pilot Ed, and he's gonna fly my my AeroScout with the original Radian Wing on it. Taking off to the west, taking off towards the Gulf of Mexico. Okay. Got a nice cloud up there, cirrus, cumulus cloud over the Gulf. All right, AeroScout with the Radian Wing on it, the original Radian Wing. Coming around from the west there, you get a nice look at it. Oh yeah. Pusher prop on AeroScout. Can you do a touch and go? Okay, we're going to see if we can get a touch and go. Oh, very nice. Maybe if we get one more of those, that'll be enough. Okay, coming around from the west. Largo Flying Field, 2022, July 8th. Touch and go. All right. Get a flyby here. Doing some nice turns. Do a touch and go from the right. All right, I think I got enough in the. Okay, I got enough. Oh, that's the way to set them down. All right. Pilot Ed there. Thank you, Ed.